quite right with this circus. And I wasn't talking about the broad with the beard. Scream is back, and I'm gonna make sure nothing stops Spike from honoring the best in comics, fantasy, sci-fi, and horror, if it's the last thing I do. You might wonder who the hell I am. Well, don't waste your time. Only two living people know, and they're both dead. Just think of me as a guy that's gonna make sure the best get what's coming to them. Everyone wants to get their hands on Scream, but that ain't gonna happen. Not today, you damn dirty alien. I was LA bound when something hit my windshield. She said, Scream, tell me everything. You mean the one-night event where Spike celebrates the best in comics, fantasy, sci-fi, and horror? Over my dead body. Or hers.